Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is an unboxing video. Before I get started with this Longchamp video, I did want to share with you that my Longchamp in the black and white mock snake has sold, but I still have this one available, and this one is the faux shearling or boucle type fabric with the mock croc leather accents. And this one comes with a web strap, and I had said on my vlog sale video that this was $285, I think, and actually I'm going to just be asking for $250 shipped. And the reason I'm changing the price is because of the resale market, and the retail price was a little bit lower than I thought it was, and so I want to be competitive. And this bag's truly like new. I mean, I've used it I think one time for one day. It comes with the base shaper that I created for it, so it is ready to go for whoever wants to become the new home for this beautiful bag. But I just wanted to give you that update, and also on the Sinbono front, I wanted to let you know that they are shipping me a new Amelia bag in the ivory color. They examined their Amelia bags and determined that they believe it's batch specific, that there was an issue with the edge coating or the glazing on the specific color that I had. And one of my subscribers also had a similar sticky issue with the Ella bag in the purple color, and they looked at their Ella batch with that shade and found an issue there. They told me to recommend to anybody out there that has an issue like that to email them and they will make it right. I know the subscriber I had actually got her Ella bag for free, and they're sending her a replacement even though that was one of her free items for making a purchase. And so I think the company is doing a fantastic job of handling a defective item, and you really can't hold it against them too much because it's not just Sinbono that has had issues with glazing. Over the years, Louis Vuitton has had terrible issues with glazing on their Empreinte pieces, their Pochette Métis, as well as other items, and have had to replace a lot of handbags for the exact same reason that Sinbono may have to replace a few now. So I just wanted to kind of throw that out there. I did put my original video back up, and I did that because I felt like that was the fair thing to do, since I've been using the Vienna bag for a few days now and have had no issues with it whatsoever. The issue with the Amelia bag was apparent right away, and I barely used it and had big issues with it. So I'm confident in the other bag, and I'm excited to try out the new Amelia bag I'll be receiving soon. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and get into the unboxing. What's in this box is not for me, but I wanted to share it with you because I'm actually going to give these away as gifts, and there's a whole assortment of colors that I'm excited to show you. So without further ado, let's get in the box. There must be an easy way to get in the box. Let me see. I don't think the box likes me. I'm going to use my box cutter on the box and see if that helps me out. Oh wait, no. There is a pull tab. Oh man, the pull tab's not nice either. Ugh. Oh my gosh, this box, this is insanity. You think you're gonna get in my box? This box is impenetrable. So here we go. Beautifully packaged. If I cut out right there, it's because I showed you my receipt. So I had to flip it around and say beautifully packaged all over again. So I have a little note right here. I'm hoping this is information because this item, or these items, came from Kevin at the San Marcos Longchamp outlet. He said, "Thank you for the continued trust, support, and referrals. Your colors are Sapphire, Vermilion, Cognac, and I'm not sure what the other one is." Oh no, I don't know. I can't tell. Maybe when I see it, I'll just know. So let's go ahead and get into the box, or the envelope, or whatever you want to call it. It's cool how these Longchamp bags are. They kind of remind me of the Tory Burch bags just a little bit. But the Tory Burch bags, I don't think that the ribbons go through the top part, and I like how that closes it up. Now you may remember I did an unboxing for this pouch and I showed you what fit inside of it, and I'll link that down in the description box. This, I believe, is in the color Chestnut. Let me just verify that it does not say Chestnut here. It does not. So this is in the color Chestnut, and I actually ordered 4 more of these pouches from the Longchamp outlet at San Marcos, Texas, and I'll link their information, or I won't link their information. I'll put Kevin's contact information in my description box. So I'm guessing this one is the Cognac one. That is a beautiful shade. Let's see how that compares to Chestnut. So Chestnut, as you can see, is a little bit darker brown and has a little bit more of a reddish tone to it. These little pouches hold so much. They hold everything that I keep in both of the pouches that I'm currently using in my handbags. And if you watch my videos, you will have seen what that is that I keep in those pouches recently. So here is the second one. This kind of reminds me of like an Hermes orange. This is probably the color that I can't read on here. I mean, this word, it almost looks like it ends in L-E-A, but I don't know. I can't tell you. We'll just call this one orange. I may end up, I don't know. I don't know who I'm going to give each one to, but I have 3 sister-in-laws and a mother-in-law that I was going to give one to each one of them for Christmas maybe. I also have 3 sisters, so maybe I need to get more of these. I wasn't thinking about that. My sisters and I don't tend to exchange Christmas presents, so that's why I wasn't thinking of it. Here is a red colored pouch, and oh, I know what it is. The orange one is paprika. Yeah, it just clicked. I was like, okay, what could that word be? It's paprika. So yeah, that's a lot like the color of the spice. So, and then this one is Vermilion. It's a beautiful red. And my in-laws, my husband's family, they're huge KU Jayhawk fans. And so the red and the blue are no-brainers for them. And this one is Sapphire. So we've got Sapphire, we have Vermilion, we have Paprika, and we have Cognac. And then I have Chestnut. And I've used the Chestnut one time, and so I may see if anybody wants the Paprika, and if they don't, then I can give them the option to have Chestnut. I don't know how I'll do it, but regardless, these go inside of your handbag. Generally, I don't think you would use it as a wristlet, although you certainly could use it as a wristlet. In fact, let me just try something out real quick. Okay, so Paul with Nextfashion generously gifted me several chains a while ago, and this was one of them, and I haven't used it yet. I've shown it to you on, I believe, my Saint Laurent Toy Lulu maybe, but these all have silver hardware, each and every one of them. And if you wanted to, you could pop that on the end. In fact, I might just leave it on the end of whichever one I decide to keep, and then you can carry it as a little clutch. I mean, in a pinch. You could definitely just whip it out of your bag and bring this into dinner instead of bringing in a great big bag that you have to sit on your lap or something, because you guys saw how much stuff this pouch holds. So yes, I will link that little wristlet chain in the description box for you if you are interested. Paul with Nextfashion has great quality chains. I've been impressed with each and every one of the ones I've gotten, and he has a limited selection of silver items. This is it's not a curb. I think it is a curb. I think it's like a flattened curb chain, and it's super smooth to the touch. It feels really, really nice. And I don't know if you remember me telling you, but the way that his little clips are, these are very much like Louis Vuitton clips, but they're sturdier than most clips out there because they have that extra ring right here, which makes them hardier and hopefully last longer. So I have the whole color palette now. No, I think there's a lot more. If you haven't watched Bag Passionate's video, she has a whole slew of these, more than this. And I think hers are all different colors than these. And of course, these aren't all for me. I got these as part of a pretty big sale that they were having. They're still on sale. I'm not sure the current sales price. Let me see if Kevin wrote it on here. He didn't. They retail for, I believe, $95. And so they would be probably 30% off of that price regularly, and then sometimes they'll have extra specials, extra discounts off, and that's kind of how I ended up getting these. But anyhow, I just wanted to share with you and see what you think. See if you've picked up any of these and let me know what you think of them if you have. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there is the same. It's the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me on Instagram or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. Take care and have a fabulous day. Thanks for watching. Bye.